Naiyak si Lloydie, guys. Umiyak.
How much is this one?
You asked Tommy.
What? Fish.
Oh, boat.
Swimming.
Boat.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, everything family. Happy New Year. 31. So, bukas is January 1, 2021. Oh my God, can you imagine that 2020 passed by really fast and it's a horrible year and it's not a good year, but we have to be thankful na okay yung katawan natin, meron pa rin tayong makain. So, yung iba is sobrang lala yung situation nila. So, but anyway, we have to be thankful even though this year is kind of like, it's not kind of, it's a really rough road for everyone. But anyway, good morning everything family. Hello guys. Linis time, cooking time. And hindi naman, kami lang namang apat, si Lloydie at si Mark. And then yun, maglinis lang ako ng konti. And si Tammy is watching me. Honey, you're watching me. It's annoying. It's really embarrassing. It's really embarrassing, Tammy. It's really embarrassing that you're watching me. Embarrassing that you're watching me. So, di ba ang aga natin? Ang aga luluto para mamaya tapos na. Wala na tayong sakit sa ulo. Madali lang naman mag-vacuum. Pasensya na maligo pa ako, guys. Ito yung binili ko pala. Bone. Pang sabaw. Anong tawag nito? Beef marrow bones. Look. Maganda ito talaga. Sabaw. And then, para naman may laman, yun, gulay. Gulay lang. Sinimplihan ko lang ito, guys. Hindi ko na lagyan ng mga potato, mga corn, mga ganon. Ayun. Gusto ko simple lang. Sabaw, gulay, yun lang. Ang gagawin ko is hugasan ko ito, guys. Bunmaro, oh. Ang sarap nito, guys. Oh lala, oh lala. Nagpabuil na ako ng, tubig. Ito next. Ito siya, guys? Angus beef. Yeah, Angus to beef. Yun. Hopefully, maganda yung maganda yung cut. Natulog. Ito. Nag-glass ako kasi parang sumakit yung mata ko. Nag-edit ako kasi. Pagbangon ko agad, laptop agad ako, gano'n. Bukas, may ulan talaga bukas, so kaya alis siya bukas. And then, ulan ng ulan, nakikita niya sa sa app, and then tinitignan niya sa camera. So, hinihintay niya sana, hopefully, fingers crossed, walang flooding sa basement. Kasi kapag may flood, aalis siya, guys. Kaya walang nangyayari. Hindi pala siya on. Ang ilagay ko, guys, is ito lang. Ito. Scallion, green onion. And then, ito. Yun lang yung... Ay, hugasan ko pala ito. Okay. Ibutang na natin, mga inday, itong bukog. Tungod sa kapobrehon, bukog na lang yung ating butang. Nagbukog-bukog na lang ta. Kasi, pobre man taon ta. Bukog na lang. Yun. Ang ganda ng bukog na to. Ang ganda na pagkabukog. And then, ilagay natin yung pinaka, na talaga, meat. So, pabukalon lang na ako ito ng matagal. Para naman, yung lasa ba. So, mahilig ako sa ginger. Mga Bisaya dyan, kaway-kaway. Kapag magtula, ginger. Kapag magmanok, ginger. Ginger na lang lahat. Bukalin lang natin siya. Alam nyo guys, yung sabaw is pinaka the best. Kaya ito, parang nagbagyo, nabahaan. Ang daming sabaw. Para naman, may shrimp. Pabayaan natin siya dyan. Magtataka yun si Lord. Ba't iba ito? Para man itong Pero okay na yan. Basta na makahigop lang tayo tagsabaw. Okay na. Ito mamaya na kasi guys. Maanghang talaga to guys. Long hot pepper. Italian long hot pepper. Kunin natin yan. Kasi ang pangit tignan. May mga lumilitaw-litaw na parang foam ba. Go ahead. Take it out. Defrost it. Ang daming lumilitaw guys. So mahurot ning sabaw nato aning kinuha. Hello guys. So, yun, nakaano lang tayo. Nagpangbahay lang ako guys kasi gusto ko maging komportable, naka-sweater, ganun. So, bakit yung ko mata? Ali si Tami. Kunin niya yung in-order niya kahapon na pagkain. I don't know kung sasama ba ako or ano. Malapit lang sa bahay guys, yung in-orderan ng. Tapos na yung yung sabaw, simpleng sabaw lang guys, para makahigop tayo ng sabaw. And yun, nakaluto na din ako ng rice. Kumain ako ng rice. And then ito, nag-defrost ako para ipa-fry natin yan. Ito yung oil na nakuha natin sa sa sabaw natin. Look. Ito yung sabaw natin. Look. Simpleng sabaw lang guys. Higop-higop, ganun. I did already. Yeah, so don't give them any more. B, you wanna eat, B? You wanna bring some stuff here?
No, it's fine.
It's fine. Lloyd is here, guys. She have a YouTube channel. And Mark.
Hello.
Is it okay with you, Mark?
Yes,
Ay,
fine.
Kuya Bundok.
Kuya
No,
Bundok.
I'm not doing that. No.
I will let you know, guys, kung meron na silang channel. I told Lloyd. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I remember that one. That one, right?
Where's that one?
I bought that one in. Where's it?
Burlington Bay.
This one.
They get something, Han. Look.
I see grapes.
And also, they got some. What is this, Mark?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Han. Tommy like cheesecake.
I know. This is so cute.
Oh yeah, you like that?
The dining, Mark. No, the dining. The wall. The dining.
This one.
Table?
No, I don't know. Do you like it, Lloyd? I don't like it. It's too. Well, it's okay, right? I think, I don't know. Nagdala pa talaga sila ng guys, grape at saka cheesecake.
Di naman fancy.
Alin? Alin?
That one. I like that one.
The one that we got?
So fancy, right?
Okay, guys. I'm gonna tell the people when you guys ready to have a channel, okay? Because I think Mark is excited. YouTube. Tignan natin itong guys.
Ito, tingnan mo yung sinasabi ko sa mga manika, oh.
Lady. Oh, yun. Maganda. Yung kanina. Talaga, mahal. Mahal yung mga ganon.
Kasi ito ba yung mga mahal, oh. Kasi hindi naman sa Pilipinas binibenta dito sa ibang bansa. Sa US, oo.
Talaga, mahal siya.
Tapos may isang room na bawal tayo mag-take ng picture.
As in?
Kasi pag ibang bansa lang nila.
Talaga.
May nakabantay, may bodyguard talaga. May guard talaga doon.
Sa Manila yan? So, ito salad. Nag-order sila, B, kasi si Mark. Pero, kakain naman yan si Mark. Wala? Tayo lang naman. And, ito para sa ating dalawa. Sino si Mark? Bigyan mo nga ako ng ano, be, yung isang pieces na yan. Para hindi mo.
Ang pangit naman ito.
Ha? Kasi ganyan si Tami.
Ano yun, nasa
Hello,
niya?
Can I come? Han, can I tell Andrea to come? Because, you know, we have enough food, right? Yeah, we have chicken here.
Ba't tingin na ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Si Lloydie. Oh, guys.
How much is this one?
You asked Tommy!
What?
How much is this,
How
Han?
much is this?
Well, that's an old model. The newer ones are nice, I think. But the
Allah.
ones are cheaper. This was, like I said, this was like 20 years ago. It was 3,000 then. I think the new ones are like 2,200 and they're nicer.
We can afford that one.
Yeah, stereo and everything.
No, you guys can afford it. Nagustuhan ni Mark yung massage. Di ba ready? Mabili. Alam mo, be?
Nagtanong na kami kasi susubukan niya.
Mag-save ka.
Oh, let's see how much
Bilhin
it
mo.
charged me to redo the leather on it. It probably cost me as much as my whole hair.
Gusto niya mga ganun, be. Lalo na sa pagtrabaho, galing trabaho.
Don't worry, next year.
Next year,
I'm going
ala.
to buy you.
Okay, next year is tomorrow.
Ala, yeah, he is right, be. He is right.
Oh my God, I
Next-
forgot that.
Next year is to... I love it. You have to take your savings out.
He's looking at me like, I want this.
I love it. Nagustuhan niya, be. Nanonood lang si Lloydie ng movie. I don't know, be. What is the movie, be?
Skyscraper.
Skyscraper daw. Yeah. So, Tammy is drinking scotch. Ako naman, white wine. Be, are you sure you don't want a little bit something?
Okay,
You want a little wine? You
A little wine. You
Maryann
will,
company. She needs something to drink with.
you will wine later. Did you take your meds? Did you bring your meds?
hindi na ako pinom.
Ah, hindi ka na?
I have been fine now.
Ah, okay, that's good.
Okay, sige, wine. Wine.
With ice, because it's good with ice. Okay, wine with ice. Yeah, look at that, Bio. Look how high-tech is that.
It's simple.
No, yeah, it is. Lloydie. It's an old-
It's a Korean
Oh,
film.
Korean.
And I did the premiere in the States. And I liked it so much I wanted to show it to people.
Subtitles?
Bumili si Tammy ng ano,
Yes.
yung cheese at
Oh,
saka
don't like
ano
subtitles?
ito.
I do.
Oh,
Kay Lloyd
Maryann
din.
doesn't.
Nawa.
But it's I really like the movie.
Nawa.
Oh.
A Wonderful Nightmare. You
Kaya
saw that
ako,
movie?
tignan mo.
Tatakot si Lloydie sa movie. Nakakatakot kasi yung movie. So, kakain lang kami. Nire-ready ko lang yung pagkain. And, look, Lloydie's like, what is it, babe? What is it? Oh my God, Lloydie! I think I can use my hand, right?
It'll be hot.
Ha?
Probably be hot.
Kami apat lang pero ang daming pagkain, guys. Hala, the people are happy for him. Look. Naiyak si Lloydie, guys. Umiyak. Kasi ang hirap ng buhay. Ang hirap ng buhay. Ito yung drink ko, guys. Lalagyan. Oh, di doon, be. Doon. Hala, dalawin mo, be. Alam mo na yan. Ano, sa kabit. Sa right there. Dalawa, be. Thank you. So, ito yung dinner. This is our dinner. Look, chicken. I don't know, chicken. I don't know. And
It's,
here's sabaw. Hopefully, Lloydie like the sabaw. So.
of course.
This is situation what?
From the first, what is it?
The beginning.
Yeah, from the beginning. The one of suicide. Because,
Ah!
and this is what I'm trying to tell you.
Ah, the charging thing. That's good, be. Hindi pa tapos yung movie kasi nag-dinner kami. And, yeah, pinopost lang. And, kino-continue lang. Ending naman siya. Be, tignan mo to, be.
Natignan ko na.
Ha? Biko. Biko ba, sabi? Iwan ko, binili ko kasi gusto kong i-try. Plastic pala. Picture na.
Upuan.
That movie?
I will see him next year. A hair pala. I'll see
Next year,
him
magkita tayo. Bukas lang yun.
Da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. I? No, I don't like reading.
Umiyak ako ng gabi.
Okay lang yan, B. Parang naging, ano, sila hindi okay lang.
One, go! River.
Boat. Turtle. Fish.
Oh, boat.
Swimming.
Boat. Pod.
River. Kayaking.
Yeah, that's it. Kaya! Next.
Well, Mike, how do you get kayaking? That had to be tough.
Bird.
Pig. Goat.
Dog.
Cow. Cat. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Horse.
Horse.
Cowboy.
Horse yan eh. Okay,
It's more like a
next.
lizard to me.
Okay.
Okay, next.
A lizard that was product of lizard incest.
Guitar. Broom. Shower.
Keyboard. Music. Yeah, I thought. Next. You still have 17 minutes.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Bee.
Later.
Spider-Man.
Oh, octopus.
Octopus.
Ano is it? That gun?
Mukhang ginagalan mo lang eh.
Wow.
그거 당신 졸업하고 살거든? 왜 갑자기 우리 말이 돼?
What's that? Butterfly.
그리고 나 그렇게
Flowers.
Yay.
Okay, next.
Wow, you did a lot, Mark.
Sun.
La.
Food. Burger.
Soup. Grill. Fire.
Bread. Cake.
Because he said, yum, yum,
Oh,
yum.
next. Smiling.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Smile.
Yeah.
What was that? What is the before that? With the, yeah.
Pumpkin pie.
There is a name of... Alis na sila, guys. Alis na si Mark at saka si Lloydie. They will be a YouTuber soon. You have to let me know. I don't know about that.
Yeah. Maryann, like, yeah.
For sure, someone's going to ask later. Why you cry?
Why you crying? He doesn't ask me.
It's only Mark who told me.
He's crying.
Drama.
Drama, guys. Hello, guys. So, ngayon, guys, ang daming leftover. I-ano lang namin itong leftover sa refrigerator sa baba. Hopefully, maginaw na kasi Lloydie give me this. Thank you, B and Mark. Ferrera Collection Chocolate. Thank you. Kung gusto niyo malaman ang pinaka-paborito ni Tami na movie, ang paborito ni Tami na movie is Wonderful Nightmare. So, it's a Wonderful Nightmare, guys. Kung gusto niyo makita, guys, yun yung pinaka-paborito ni Tami. Si Tami hindi yan mahilig sa mga mushi-mushi na mga movie, pero yun yung pinaka-paborito niya na hindi niya makalimutan nga. Every time na manonood siya, madadala talaga siya. So, yun. Wonderful Nightmare. So, I need to turn this, dishwasher. Para mayroon tayong magamit bukas ng mga tinidor at mga kutsara. And, ano pa ba yung sabihin ko? So, alis tayo. Kunin natin si Lloydie bukas, guys. Yun. Meron tayong imimit na bagong Pinay. So, nakilala siya ni Lloydie. So, imit natin. And then, ano pa ba? Teka na, ha? Oh, it's close now. Auto fast. Nice. Okay, let me...
I should bring these downstairs, I guess.
Yeah, I'll go bring the other one because I want to go there too.
Okay.
And I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, now let's go. So anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog early. It's already early. It's already, what time is it? It's 7:30 na. I'm gonna end the vlog. Kasi I still have, I will watch this tomorrow, okay? Because we don't have space here.
I'm gonna go lie down. My back's killing me.
Okay. In
Look
bed?
at this.
In bed, Han?
Yeah.
Si Night.
Hi guys.
Night guys. Tulog na daw siya. I will see you guys tomorrow.